Hello everyone and welcome back to our music section on famous artists. Today we have a very special and iconic British band, the Beatles. The English rock band The Beatles are commonly regarded as the most influential band in popular music history. Formed in Liverpool in 1960, the members of the band, John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison and Ringo Starr, they sparked the Beatlemania phenomena in 1963, gained international stardom in 1964 and remained active until their breakup in 1970. Many cultural movements of the 60s were assisted or inspired by the Beatles. For example, in Britain, their rise to international prominence signaled the youth-driven changes in post-war society with respect to social mobility, teenagers' commercial influence and informality. They started the shift from American artists' global dominance of rock and roll to the British acts, and this is called such as the British invasion. Their songs are among the most recorded in history, with covers, versions for example of Yesterday exceeding in thousands. As of 2009, they were the best-selling band in history, with estimated sales of over 600 million records worldwide. Well, that's all for today, folks. I will see you in our next famous artists video section of the week. Bye for now. Bye.